Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today. I have an unboxing video for you. It's the December 2021 card kit of the month from Spellbinders. It is called Beauty is Everywhere, and I apologize that it's the beginning of February and this kit came out in December, but because of shipping delays I didn't receive it until the very end of January. So the little card there gives you some examples, and on the back it shows you how to make one of those. This is the paper pad, and it has some beautiful papers in it. You get two of each design, and they're single-sided, not double-sided. And one of the things is several of these papers have some beautiful embellishments on them. Like this one looks like it's embossed with an iridescent, really pretty design there, and that one has the same sparkle and shine, so that's kind of nice. Many of these are sort of a mixed media type look to them, so that's kind of nice too. You get a couple of different styles in this kit as well, and you get two of each, like I said, so there's the beginning and then the rest of them that are all the same. Now you get two types of adhesive. You get a double-sided tape and some dimensional foam adhesive. These beautiful chipboard frames are part of the kit this month. They include these several times a year, and they do different designs. Sometimes they're oval, and there's different sizes and shapes, and these are really nice. I really like these a lot. And then this is a special gift that comes when you subscribe to the kit. They send an extra gift in December for Christmas. So this isn't something that's normally included in the kit. This is just a little extra freebie, which I think is a very nice way to say thank you to the subscribers of the kit. All right, then you get some dies. Now these are very nice. So this kit is an extremely good value because of all that they include in the kit. They have enough to make at least, and usually tons more than 10 cards. So you get that beautiful border die, and then this butterfly die. It has the outline as well as the inside of the butterfly, and some flowers and leaves, and then there's that little piece there that goes to the butterfly. So I'll show you that in a second here. So that's just the little body of the butterfly. So these dies are really beautiful, and I can't wait to use them this month. And then of course you get your envelopes and your card bases. You get 10 card bases and 10 envelopes, which is really nice. It's a great way to just be able to get all those cards that you need for the month sent out. And then the cards have a beautiful texture on them. I always love that, in case you don't want to cover up the whole front of the card page. Now these beautiful sequins, you get two kinds. You get that opaque pink and then also the metallic pink. This is the die cut shapes. We'll look at those later. You get some gorgeous butterfly stickers here. These are like a acrylic or a plastic or something with some beautiful colors on here. I really love these, and they already have the adhesive on the back for you, so that's really nice. And then these other ones here are really pretty as well. These ones also have a lot of bling on them, a lot of shine and glittery look to them, and they have adhesive on the back, and these ones are layered, so you see some of these have a double layer to them. I love that little note. That's so sweet and precious. So can't wait to use those on my cards. And then you always get a stamp set as well. See what I mean? This value is amazing. Now this stamp set is a these are the acrylic clear stamps. They're not photopolymer, so they are a little bit more squishy than the photopolymer stamps are. So you definitely don't want to press really hard or you'll smush your image, and that won't be good. But they do produce a beautiful image. And then you always get cardstock, I think about 9 sheets. This green one is textured, which I love texture, guys. You know that about me if you've watched my videos. And then you get an orange one and a blue one and a white one. This is like a bright white. And then you get a black one and a pink one. Pink and black always goes really well together, I think. And then this is sort of an off-white. I'll place it next to the white one so you can compare. Then you get like a bright fuchsia and then this gold mirrored cardstock. So here's the bright white next to the off-white. And then the two pinks together are really pretty. And then there's that beautiful gold metallic mirrored cardstock. They always seem to have that one in there too. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at these die cut shapes, and there's some beautiful ones in there this month or for December, and you can see that some of them do have that mixed media look, which I love. I do love mixed media. I think it's such a pretty thing. I'm amazed at some of the beautiful designs that mixed media artists can come up with. So you get lots of flowers, you get some cute little sentiments and things like that in the card, and some of them are really shiny and pretty. Lots of butterflies, some really beautiful butterflies in this kit, some doilies, and lots of words. They always have lots of words and images, as well as like some stationery pieces and things like that, which I think are really a nice way to add some additional elements to your card. So these cute little stationery pieces here, I love those. More doilies, more beautiful butterflies, and then some black and white images, which are really cool because the pattern paper had some black and white pattern papers in there too, so that'll go really well. And if you wanted to, you can even add color to these black and white images. You don't have to leave them black and white, so that's kind of a nice option as well. Some really cool reminds me of Paris, France, and things like that, and the butterflies, and then these beautiful birds. I don't know if those are cherry blossoms or apple blossoms. I think they're cherry blossoms, but those are really pretty too. Just tons of words that you can use. I like how they have the different styles of words as well, like this today is really pretty. It's even got an embossed look to it. And then those little ones, it's very nice. Those balloons are cute too. Balloons are real popular in mixed media as well. And who doesn't love butterflies and birds? So lots of great choices in this kit today. And in a moment, I'm going to show you how I decide to store these so I can look through them easily when I'm planning out my cards. Life is beautiful. So some French words here. You have a little je ne sais quoi. So that's kind of cool. Those are some beautiful bows. Those, I think those are also cherry blossoms on those. You can layer up those circles and doilies, which is really cool. I like that a lot. Ooh la la, very French. Very nice sayings. And then these borders, you get two different kinds, those ones and the ones underneath. More words. So just a ton of choices, guys. Like, you won't even be able to use all of these. I can never use all of them on my cards. There's so many of them. So they even included a happy birthday. That's one thing that I really like. I wish they'd include more common words that you can use on your cards. So this is what I do with these, and you can see there to the left there's an example of one of the cards that I made with this kit. But I just took some copy paper, 8.5 by 11, stacked it, folded it in half, and then used some repositionable adhesive to put those down. So here's a look at the first card that I made with this kit, and you can see that video by clicking on the little square image of that down in the right hand bottom corner of this video. So thanks for joining me today. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to like or subscribe and hit that notification bell. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.